Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of getting spam emails from AliExpress and want to block them on Gmail account using your smartphone, you're in the right place. It's a very simple process, let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, here you can see the profile section at the top right. Tap on it. In your profile page, scroll down a bit and here you can see the settings option. Tap on settings. In the settings menu, you can see the manage email subscriptions option. Tap on it. You can disable all the options. And there you go, you won't be receiving any emails from AliExpress from now on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.